Alright guys, this is day 2 of my OSCP journey. So we are focused on PV keyword 3 list on here is penetration tester is 223. So we are on just the hack the box machine right now. Then we jump here to Woolnap, and then the first of all we will actually solve all CTF about to hear the listing for the OSCP exam. So we are actually spinning here the wheel. So I got it before at my first video is escape, and just look for right now which one we have to do it. Alright, it's intelligence. So we have to be jumping here intelligence, right? So let me show intelligence. Where is it? It's over there. Alright, so it's again Windows machine, right? Yes, the intelligence is over here is Windows boxes. So we are all focused on here intelligence. Alright, so this is really cool. So let's do it. So then we got here to escape. Right now is intelligence. I wonder when we are jumping the Linux box, but I actually love Windows, so let's do it. Alright, so let me close all the tabs here, and then just focus it on intelligence boxes on HTTP. So my VPN is okay, so I think I have to go documents and remove -r intelligence. So I got it before, but it's too long day, so let me do it one more time. Intelligence, right? Yes. So let me go intelligence here. Then let's get started. So we are here have to IP address, and its mission is about Active Directory user. So okay, so we are focused on here Active Directory, I think, so it will be nice. Alright, let me do it. So first of all is definitely we have to be starting here mm scan for default port. So let's start it with -sc. That means we are just focused on default port here, like 8044.3, like that. So just looking for if it's there's something. So I think I got it before. I have to be intelligence to forget about this side. Yes, like that, I think. Yeah. Yes, so there is no for us. Okay, we are redirect on intelligence port is over here. Okay, then so we are on to see an email contact intelligence.htp, and I think we can add on your host file. So let me go etc and host. Okay, it's over here. Intelligence.htp. Okay, so we are just now about it on the 80 port. We can work with intelligence, right? Fuck. Intelligence.htp. So if we have here to web server, so that means we have to be running here burp suite directly for web requesting, and the second one for my nodes, let me go charity. Generally using the charity for my nodes. It was really nice. So cool, right? So let me add in here one more and call him intelligence, right? Yes, intelligence is over here. So this is our IP addresses. Is there any result? So I have no idea. My mf scan, yeah, my mf scan is really slow right now, but I will gonna fix it anyway. So if you have working like this web server, it's definitely call me here looking for subdomain. So generally using for the subdomain this commands, I just jumping on user share wordless sec this discover DNS subdomains top 1 million.txt and giving here the fuzzing on subdomain and giving URL directly here. So let me do it for intelligence. I'm looking for if there's something different subdomain for us. So intelligence.htp. So for the URL, I think we can call intelligence.htp. Oh my god, is something wrong? No. Intelligence.htp. Right? So like that. So it's giving us two many status codes. So we can call it here -fc for filter it for no seeing here. And the second one, you will start like here it's actually directory scan, but right now I think it's not needed because the first of all directory scan we can call here rep request is over there like that for sure. So let me open the verb and try to be contact, and it's redirect here, but there is nothing right now. Email addresses. So I generally focused on here if it's something like email addresses here SSDI. So if you're seeing like that email addresses, you have to be trying here SSDI firstly. Like is like test. Yes, it could be like that for sure. So let me subscribe. Then let's redirect here question mark. So that means it's not gonna be work, I think, or is not gonna be useful for us. So anyway. So we got here some documents directory, right? But it's called here PDF file. So let me go here, document. Okay, document. But the document file called us here 404 file or directory not found. So what we can do here? So right now I think so we cannot inject it to PDF file with a PDF extension here on documents directory, right? Am I got it wrong? Yes, that is correct. So if we wanna be accesses on PDF file, we have to be first here focus on to PDF file, I think. So what we can do, should we call here like 05? No, it's not gonna be working. So 05 upload PDF. No. So okay. So it could be different tools here, maybe, or result. Okay, it's cool. Then we got here to EMA result. Is it? Yes. Cool. Let me focus on it. It's here right now. Okay. So what was have to be know about this EMA result? So it's to import in here 53 is calling here simple DNS plus 80 port is working on Microsoft IS server, and LDAP port is open here and calling for domain intelligence.htp. So let me give it here rat one. Okay. So for the DNS name, they call dsintelligence.htp. Is not gonna be copy. Just giving here the red one and something different. Yeah, is it there to working SMB. So is it could be important with to working with SMB here. So let me try to be working with SMB firstly. I think that, and there is no subdomain yet. SMB client -L. If we are using Windows, we have to be giving here backslash, you know. So then give this IP address just like that. So let me give in here without password. So is connecting to work group listing. So there is no access without username and password. So we are just now here about to LD app is calling domain intelligence.htp, and to SSL certificate is dsintelligence.htp. I think it could be important. So let me add this on my etc host file. Okay, nano etc and host, not like that, for sure, like that. Okay, cool. More, I don't think so. So what we are getting here, we can call to PDF file like that. I think is it could be important. And the second one, there is LD app server for us, and we got here to DNS name is dc.intelligence.htp. What's more? I think there is no. So can we try? So I wonder. Could be something different with contact. Okay, let me call. No. I think it could be great idea starting here, dear buster. Okay. I have no idea what we can do here, but let's try. Okay, that's correct. So use a share wordless to roster directory list. So let me start. Looking for maybe we got here. No, it's just called here documents file. But the documents file is like look like unuseful. I mean, so can we just try to get old PDF file? I don't know. Okay, so because there is seems like nothing for us. So let me try here to LD app search. I think it's not gonna be working. If it's gonna be working, it will really easy for us, but I don't know. So let's just try. So we are just accessing here documents file, but I don't want to be do it. So let's call LD app search for intelligence.htp. So but right now it's changing with this, right? Cannot. For sure it's not 11, it's 10, right? Okay, so let me try. But right now its result is operation errors is calling us. So to LD app search is not look like useful for us, I think here. So because to here to DS name it's look like not useful for us, is it? So I just wondering here, is it could be important with PDF file. So if I can all PDF file here and converting them to TXT file, I think I can access something different idea here. So let me check in here machine info to real life scenario. Okay, it seems like real life scenario. It could be about to read PDF file, I think. So let's just try. Okay, so could we coding here Python? Useful documents and intelligence, civil tax, and get pdf.python. Okay, so what we want to be do. So if I can add this on repeater, I think first of all, if we wanna be checked to some file, oh my god, it was hard. To PDF file, we can start with operating system. I think import operating system. Then URL lib request module, I think will be fine. The URL modules defines functions classes helping URL, mostly HTTP in a complex world, basic and digits, authentication, reaction cookies, and more. So what we can do, okay, so the URL lib request module defines following functions: who calls URL open, is like that. Okay, so our goal will have to be get all PDF file of this URL. Just change it to this. Let me checking it. Okay, this is the day and this one is month, right? So we just have to be changed this month is 0 to 13 and this one is 0 to 31. So let's do it. Okay. I got something for, okay, day. Alright, let me call here day is D. Or D is in range. So there is 31 day, right? So that means we have to be called here 1 to 32. Yes, it's not like this. It could be like this for sure. So it's for just day. So right now it could be for a month. 4 month in range is the same. What we can do before is 1 to 13. Let's call it again. Right now we are giving here or I think day and month range for here. Okay, so alright, what we can do, so let me try with to get here to giving just day string and month string. So day string will be equal to here string day dot as field file. This could be important here. It could be equal to 2 and to month string will be equal to here again string. It could be here the month to z file is again 2. So right now our day string and month string value is okay. Then we are giving them is range. So right now we can call here URL. Okay, URL. Okay, our URL has to be look like URL is equal to. So let me just give you here something different. URL is equal to like that. Okay, HTTP, but let me change it that. Okay, so let me use it, but I actually want to be using this. It could be like, alright, this doesn't matter. Okay, so let me give it here FTP I mean is FHTP intelligence.htp documents. This could be month. Okay, so what does it mean? We have to be giving here month string, and it could be equal to day. So we have to be just giving here day string to upload PDF. So our URL request has to be equal that, because of we are just calling here month string here and day string is here. So for D in range and for month in range is over there. But important things here, we have to be double all. So what we can call here is file name. So giving here the file name could be important, but I think it's not. But just give it, it doesn't matter. So just for example, output and to, okay, just for example to month string and day string dot PDF file is it could be. Alright, so if we are working here the URL, we have to add here to module import URL lib is in URL lib requests, isn't? Yes, URL lib requests. Is it requests or requests? Okay, it's a request. Okay, so our code is right now is it's okay, but just we have to be giving you really easy things like URL lib things, for example, to request, then which what you have to be give here. URL lib request URL open to giving your data none to cal file cap page kit false contacts none. To open URL which can be either string containing valid properly encoded URL request object is the same here. We are not working here with class, so URL the spawn response adding for all. Not like that, I think. Try to be retrieve the URL here. Okay, so I have could be here retrieve or take. Okay, so okay, so URL lib request. Alright, why we cannot ask ChatGPT? URL lib request for retrieve file. Yes. Well, can you do it for me just here? Complete the code. Yes. Okay. Try. Okay, and accept URL HTTP error is this code is equal to 404. Let me looking for example here 89. Yes, is a 404. All right, so okay, we can use it. It doesn't matter. So just let me paste it here and control or save. I love coding Python, but we have to be fast, right? Python 3 and get dv.python. So file download it and save it. So file not so too many message we got here. So it's saving on downloads file. Yes, to here. Okay. That is really cool. So let me call in here ls again. Yes. Right now we are just getting all PDF file of this URL. So we are just using this HTTP this Python code. I actually coding like here that it's just completing it. Really good job. It's actually really good collaboration with ChatGPT. I love it. So okay, maybe we can do something different with PDF file. I don't know. But there is too many PDF file. What was I'm thinking? Yes, you know. So is it could be important? So let me try here. Let's again. Oh my God, it's okay. But to do something different, we can do. Let me check. So now we are just third tab and we impressive here this one. Then realize to get all PDF file with Python codes. Okay, so then we work with this. Alright, so let me giving my Python codes with could be like that, doesn't matter. Okay, this is our Python code for get all PDF file. Is it ending? No. What? So we just have to wait. There's nothing more. Oh my God, more. I hope it will be ending right now. So we are on 19. I think it will be end at whoa. So there is more. There is really more. Okay, it's really close to ending, I think. What the heck? Really? Shit. Okay, it's ending. So we got here at the download files too many PDF file. So I think so let me go here. Documents, intelligence. I think we have to be go. Anyway, so we cannot read it. It's with 1 of 1. So I think we have to be convert them txt file for reading. So what we can do for f in for all PDF file. Okay, really. For f in for all PDF file to PDF to tags, like that, right? Yes. Then save them on output.txt and done. Okay. So, is it here? Yes. We got here output.txt, and right now I think it's time to be reading it. So we are just looking for here sublime tags output. Not right, that is for sure. Looking for just, is there something different? Let me start in here. So just looking for password. Is it here? New account grad, welcome to Intelligence Corp. Please log in using your username and default password. Alright, so we got here password guy. Okay, this is our password at PDF file. So, okay, so let me color it with red and just call here to new password. So right now we are just needed to hear the user list. So how we can do it? So is it could be crack map exec is it could be, yes, like that for sure, and just give it here, and the password is new Intelligence Corp user 9876. Is it useful? No. Alright, so can we just try add this PDF file creator with exif tool Yes, the creator here is equal to William Lee, and let me try for different user lists. Is Scott. So, okay, we have a here to password, then we got all user is on PDF file. So how we can do it for changing with and for the user to user? I think we can try it again for not like that to for PDF file. Okay, I got it before, that means I know it here, and we have to be converting all PDF file with EXIF tool, but just grabbing here creator, and this one is helping us for to column of this the list user list and print just the second value. In the second value is equal to here username. So let me do it. Where is error? I don't understand. Is there something wrong? I wonder. I don't think so, but yes, it could be like that. What the heck? What's wrong? So let me ask it. Yes, I do. Really? Extract metadata shell? No, extract metadata shell. Chmod plus x extract metadata shell, then run it. Is it gonna be working? Yes. Cat users.txt. I just wonder here, is there the same user more? Joss Williams, yes. Okay, there is same user names. How can prove it? Yes. Okay, grab dash. Alright, it's gonna be working here, grab dash q, right? So what we can do, is it gonna be working with just without two? So let me use this extract. The before this we have to be remove user.txt, right? Yes. Sublime tags extract metadata shell. Okay, just control save it. Extract metadata shell. Is it wrong? Let me try looking for user.txt right now. Okay. And yes, right now we are ready for trying our usernames with this password. So we got all user is over here. So right now, time to be go back. I think it's time to go back and cp downloads to user.txt here and change them on crack map exec dash so smb for this IP addresses. K and dash u user.txt and dash p, give it my password here, and two more should we checking here. to user.txt and to password is equal that. Alright, let me try. So it's now William Lee password, it's not Scott password. Okay, just try it and then continue to successing. So is it gonna be working for here, right? I think it's yes. But yes, with this password. Then we got here. Okay. So we got here username and password. So our username is Tiffany Molina and the password is the Intelligence Corp user on 9876. So let me go there and try to be fix it SMB client. Really? SMB client and dash hue Tiffany dot Molina. Yes, it has to be asking here the password. So let me give you here the password right now. Okay, so we got here user and IT shares. Let me try to be add them on here. And so we can focus on here IT and user. So if the Tiffany Molina is the IT group on Windows, it could be useful for us. But first of all, let me go here to users and change it for sure. So it's what the fuck. The password is equal that. Something wrong? For sure is something wrong. So we have to add this more to two more backslash. So let me give it that. Okay, we are accessing it on SMB share. So we got here Tad Graves and Tiffany Molina. So is it could be useful or second? Okay, I think or second. I don't know how can I say is it could be has to be murdering is Tad Graves, but we are just now is Tiffany Molina. So can we get here locale.txt? I want to be say locale.txt because on OSCP exam they call okay, let me call here dear. Okay, we can go desktop here. Yes, so user.txt is over here. Okay, we got here first flag, so user flag. In the for sure as on the OSCP exam, it will be equal to locale.txt. Okay, so what we can do. So let me go back. Call here dear. Is it could be useful? I don't think so. So we cannot go Tad Graves, right? So is it Tad Graves on our users.txt? There is no Ted Graves. No. Okay, there is no Ted Graves. Ted Graves is another user. This could be like IT director. Can we call here? No, is access is deleted here. Yeah, right? For sure. So what we can do, we can call here exit and looking for IT shares, I think. And for password, let me give it one more time. Okay, let me call here ls. Alright, so we got here the detector, the PowerShell one. So we just okay, we just a lot of things to here. Cool. Yes, I want it. Exit. Okay, cat down detector, the PowerShell one. So it's importing module here Active Directory for each record in get try item on Active Directory domain controller is intelligence HTTP and try requesting in invoke web request is record name, use default credential. Okay, so I think is important things here, right? Requesting with invoke web request is URI with use default credentials. I don't know what is this. Okay, ChatGPT help us. What was it? It's look like you're working PowerShell scripts to check status of web servers and send email notification if a server is down. Let me read it again. It's look like you're working on PowerShell scripts, check the status web servers and send email notification if server is down. However, there are a couple issues in your script. Here's a correct version. Correcting the condition if status code to if request status code. Send mail message to me. Should we add it on or not? Maybe. Okay. I don't know. What is it? So I just understanding here. Checking web server status and schedule it to run every 5 minutes. And importing here module Active Directory, right? Okay. So I think this script goes into LDAP for gets files or so is it could be important with the okay requesting it with web requests, I think. So, alright, I understanding, I think. So let me reading it one more time. Okay, it's useful. For sure. It's look like you are working on PowerShell scripts to check the status web servers and send email notification if a server is down. However, there are a couple issues in your script. Here is a corrected version. So If it's there, check the status of web service and send email notification for if server done. We can get requests for the server and it will be giving us to hash of that grace, I think. But it's I don't know. It's my idea. I don't know. Okay, so um let's just try. Is it could be important with DNS tool? Locate DNS tool dot python. There is no DNS tool dot python file is here. Okay, what the fuck? Let me go Kerbal Lakes. Kerbal Lakes. Yes, like that. We have to be use here DNS tool.python. So let me so git clone. Okay, let me go Kerbal Python 3 DNS tool -ash. Okay, -u will giving a username, -p password. So is it could be we have to be using here with username and password here. Could be important. And is it there at readme to example of using? No, it's just with this here the flag. And I wonder what we can use it. It's like for okay, we have to be using your username and password. Okay, I understand. And -r target code -a is add modify core remote ld applet. So is it here DNS tool usage tool.python usage? Let me check. Okay, all right, cool, we found example. Let me use this example. Python 3 DNS tool.python -u hackett is okay, is equal to intelligence, right? And to username Tiffany is my ex-girlfriend name, Molina. Okay, Tiffany Molina. And -p, give them password. Where's my ex password? Okay. And -r, just call it here direct -r. Okay, is it, I mean, so web linear algebra -a at -t is okay, -t a -t has to be equal to my IP address, I think. And to -t is for what? Domain IP. Okay, so its domain IP is over there. And what's next? Holy shit. It's really holy shit. And DNS IP. Shall we giving us here? Are we sure isn't my IP? Okay, dash T and give them IP addresses like here. What the fuck? What the hell? Is there something wrong? Intelligence. So can we try it with like that? Intelligence. Antifani Molina new. Okay, web linear algebra. Here we're just giving it. And dash A add here. And dash T equal dash A, giving here our IP addresses with DAP. So can we call here maybe intelligence.htp? Intelligence.htp. So what's wrong? Let me ask this to ChatGPT again. I think it will help us right now one more time. Okay, what is it? Yes. What's wrong? Okay, is it gonna be work? What did you change? Okay, it's work. Okay, bind is okay. So what we can do right now? What we can do right now? Really? So I know we have to be starting here sudo responder or SMB server. Is it sudo SMB server? So I don't remember. I got it at my last video, but I don't remember right now. So let me check it here. Okay. So let me go. Someone is told me for great stuff, man, when using responder using tag v for verbose. Okay, let me try. So the responder dash I dash v have to be okay. It's gonna be work. Let me try it one more time. Or what I try here to is the second one. So let me check. Now is MSF console, right? Okay, is what in packet server. Okay. Sudo in packet server. Alright. So let's try one more time this. The DNS name does not access intelligence HTTP. Should we add here intelligence.htp dot intelligence.htp? No. Shall we Python 3 DNS tool? Let me check it to my so I used it before, so let me try use it one more time. Okay, it was work. So this is gonna be work here. So we are just have to be waiting for the hash for Ted Graves. So let me copy this selection. Okay, it was work, and it's actually giving us the output. I mean, so this is after message for us. Yes, cool, really cool. So now it's time to be waiting here. So let me sending it one more time and just waiting for the to batch request. To record already uses it. What the fuck? Okay, just gonna be wait. Okay, I can wait it for it. Shall we wait for how many minutes? Anyway, I also know the password of to Ted Graves, so it will be read back as to here. The password is for Ted Graves is called Mr. Teddy. Okay. So let me try it with looking for SMB client. Dash U Ted Grace. For the password, we have to be given here Mr. Teddy. Okay. So is it again we can looking for IT and users list. It's the same, it's nothing different here. So, but is it could be different for looking for users one more time. Okay, because there is no more at IT directory. So for sure we have to be deleting here -l. Let me try. Call here ls and go for Ted Graves. Call here ls, go for desktop. Okay, dear. Alright, there is nothing for us to hear. So anyway, so for is I think it's time to be go for Bloodhound Python. So is it could be a watching? So there is no we got shell. We are just on the to assembly file. There is nothing command once. For to Bloodhound Python here. So it will be useful for us, I think. So let me try here Bloodhound Python because we are not ready to go here like WinPS or so to certify. So let me try it. For sure to here sudo neo4j console we have to be start and just waiting for here to what I'm saying, some JSON file off for the privilege escalation. Okay, then just have to be go back and upload, open it, login. Great. So they found here one domains to 43 user 55 groups as a 2 GPOs and 1 OS and 19 containers. So as it has to be could be great idea. So delete all the note here. Delete. Now is it Telegraph is still here? Yeah, it's over there, but just want to be uploading for show you upload data. We have to be changed, but before that is it could be okay, is ending. Right now we can upload here data. Let me go other location, home, Elliot, documents, intelligence, and select all JSON file and importing it on progress. Then we can close this tab, looking for tab raise. Okay, so first of all we have to mark this user as high value. Okay, as it's really important. So then we can change something about it for where's mine's okay, so I generally using here shortest paths to its high value targets for intelligence HTTP. Okay, Now our result is okay. So let me use it to it like that. Okay, Tad Graves is here. Is Tad Graves has permission of add K credential link, right? So I think we have to add here. Okay, has here add K credential link. Right, decal is not useful. Contains is not useful. More generic all. Now, so we have to focus it on here. Bloodhound's Python file add K credential link. Okay, add K credential link. Bloodhound. Yes. Shadow credentials. So, what the fuck, bro? I know it's... But what? Tool I have to be use it for to get credential? Whisker is a C# tool for taking Active Directory user. Shadow spray. There is something different. I escape. No, it's generic all, generic all, generic all. Right tackle. So can we use it here? GM as Active Directory dumper. Look at GM as a dumper dot Python. So nothing here. No more file here for me. Okay, here what we can use. GM as dumper dot Python file. We can go. Let me install it. Git clone. What? That was hard, rule. The first of all, I really like it, but right now it's trying to be hard. GMS dumper pip3 install -r requirements.txt. Okay, Python 3 gms.python for Tad Graves, that password and domain is intelligence.htp. Okay, so what this has to be giving here. Alright, so we are got here services in it for hash. Because of what? At K credential link groups we can access this. So this it could be here for using GMS dumper. Right, and this is hash. Is it hash? but we cannot crack it, right? So it's again here one more. Okay, so the another tool we needed here, locate get ct.python. This one, which one I use it? Let me try. This one I use it. Nope. Which one I use it? Is it? Yes. Okay. But the hash is not the same right now. We have to be changed it with this. What the fuck is over there? Doesn't matter. There is something wrong. Fucking don't think so. Cage file is not fun. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong here? I don't like to last part. It's actually wanna be ending here immediately. Okay. Something wrong. What's wrong? I wonder. Is it could be ending with this hashes? Anyway, I got here hashes of to user 4 to administrator. Is it over there? I actually like this data. It's about to be coding here Python, and we did all of things here the same, and I really like it is PowerShell scripts to get here to credential of Mr. Tati. And the last part is not for me. It looks like really hard. I apologize for all guys to hear. I don't want to be sold the last part. And thank you for watching this video.